welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going over 1% silver sulfadiazine cream, what it is, how to use this medication, and what are some common side effects you should look out for. Now, silver sulfadiazine 1% cream is a cream used for second and third degree burns. So you may be wondering, what about first degree burns? Now, the drug of choice for first degree burns is not silver sulfadiazine. However, it may be Neosporin cream that is readily available over the counter. Silver sulfadiazine cream is only available as a prescription, so your doctor will evaluate the burn and prescribe accordingly. Now, you'll notice that the medication contains silver. Now, the silver ion in the medication is used to kill the bacteria. And then it also contains sulfadiazine, which is a sulfonamide antibiotic that is used to inhibit the growth of the bacteria. Silver sulfadiazine is used as directed, so definitely follow up with your provider to see how they want you to be applying the cream on the burn. Sometimes it could be twice a day to 3 times a day to even 4 times a day, again, depending on the severity of the burn. And also double check to see how long you should be on the burn cream. So it depends from 10 days to 14 days to even 30 days. So again, double check with your provider to give you clear instructions on how to apply it and the duration of the cream. Now, common side effects of silver sulfadiazine include rash, redness, itchiness. If you develop trouble breathing, definitely stop the cream and contact your doctor immediately. Some common contraindications with the cream include sulfa allergy, pregnancy, breastfeeding, kidney and liver impairment. So for those that do have a sulfa allergy, definitely let your doctor know, because it is a major contraindication with the sulfadiazine, which is a sulfonamide antibiotic. So when you're ready to apply the cream to your burn, go ahead and wash your hands before and after use. Now, you may also be using gloves, so whichever way you're comfortable with, make sure that you are using sterile techniques. So if it's the gloves or if you're using your own hands, definitely wash your hands before and after use. Now, when you do open up the jar, you'll notice that there is a sealed film on the jar. Go ahead and peel that jar, peel the film as such. In this video, I'm just going to be using a glove. So I'm going to put my glove on. And then all you're going to do is take a small amount of the cream and then apply it to the affected area, just a thin layer. And you can go ahead and keep it air dry, or you can go ahead and put a sterile dressing, again, depending on the instructions that your doctor provides to you. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this consultation on silver sulfadiazine 1% cream. Please let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.